Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how we can hide and hide rows or columns. As you can see on my screen in the Excel file, I already have the data which we used yesterday for removing duplicates. And on the right hand side, you also see my VB editor where I've already assigned the names for two macro which we are going to run today. So for first of all, we'll start with rows. So we have to give the range which we want to hide or unhide. I'll give the range as B5 to B10, which I want to hide. And then you have to write entire row because we want to hide entire row, right? And after that, you have to write is equal to true. So this is the code which will hide your rows, whichever you give the range. And if you just change this here to false, it will unhide, right? So let's see first how this works. I'll press F8, right? As you see on the left hand side, now row 5 to 10 are hidden. After row 4, I see row 11. Now I will unhide them. I'll again press F8. As you can see, now all the rows are visible. Similarly, we can prepare the same macro for columns. So let's say, for example, I want to hide column B, right? So instead of entire row, I'll have to write entire column, right? Okay, so for a column, you can give any cell number, B1, B2, B1000. It doesn't matter because it is anyway going to hide the entire column, right? So just a column name should be correct, like B, C, or whatever, right? Let's try this. As you can see on the left hand, column B is now hidden. I'll press F8 again to run the code to visible this, right? So similarly, if you have more than one columns which you want to hide or unhide, you can use the range like this. And let's run this macro. So now you can see the two columns are hidden and they are visible, right? So this way you can practice. That's it for this video. Please let me know how you like this video and any topics you want me to cover in next videos. I'll keep sharing more about VBA in our upcoming videos, so please subscribe to my channel to keep getting latest updates. Also, you can share it with your friends and family members so they can also learn all this. Thank you very much.